Hey folks, Eugene here. I'm with Blake Sawyer from AMP Software. He's going to be speaking at the Forensic Photography Symposium. That's January 19th to 22nd. And Blake, you have software, AMP5, which has a metrology component to it. So you can take photos and videos and basically do some measurement functions with it. So what have you got on your presentation? What are you going to be showing us?
Yeah, I'm excited about it. It'll be a lot of fun. So we're going to look at kind of how the science behind it works, the math of taking a single image with a couple of known measurements, and then using that to get unknown measurements. So either how tall somebody is, the width of an object, or maybe even the speed of a vehicle, depending on how much time we have. It should be a lot of fun. It's going to be pretty light. I try to keep humor in the midst of math.
Right on. Well, I'm somewhat familiar with it because we did a suspect height paper on this about a year ago that we released. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, thanks very much. And folks, if you're interested, find out more about AMP Software and Blake at the Forensic Photography Symposium. Click on the link below and register. And Blake, we'll see you there. Thank you.
See you there.